Stop. If you're about to make an offer on a home, this mistake could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. In the Washington, D.C. and Maryland market, the biggest mistake buyers make isn't bad timing. It's letting their emotions take control of the bid. Buying a home is personal. It's where your life happens, your future, your family. But the moment you start thinking, this is the one, you've already lost your negotiating power. In competitive markets like D.C., Northern Virginia, and Maryland, emotion turns smart buyers into impulsive ones. Let's start with the biggest trap, the winner's curse. You win the house, but you lose financially. Bidding wars create adrenaline, and suddenly, it's not about value anymore. It's about winning. Studies show buyers who win bidding wars often see returns 1.3% lower annually. That might sound small, but over 10 years, that's tens of thousands of dollars gone. Here's where it gets dangerous, the appraisal gap. Your lender doesn't care what you feel the home is worth. They care what it actually appraises for. So if you offer $700,000, but it appraises at $650,000, you're responsible for that $50,000 difference. And if you can't, you risk losing your deal, and possibly your deposit. When emotions take over, logic shuts down. This is called confirmation bias. You ignore the foundation crack, the bad layout, the noisy street, because you want it to work. In fact, about 76% of buyers admit they overlooked issues due to emotional pressure. To compete, buyers start making dangerous decisions, waiving inspections, dropping contingencies, all just to win the house. But what you win could come with $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000 in hidden repairs. So how do you avoid this? Set your maximum budget before you fall in love. Use the 28-36 rule as a guide, and commit to walking away. No exceptions. Create a non-negotiable checklist. Must-haves versus nice-to-haves. If it doesn't meet your criteria, it's not the one. Stop thinking like a buyer. Start thinking like an investor. Ask yourself, will this home appreciate? Is the location strong? A great real estate agent is your emotional firewall. They bring logic when emotions run high. Before submitting a big offer, wait 24 hours, let the adrenaline fade. Clarity always wins. In this market, discipline beats emotion every time. If you're buying in DC or Maryland and want to avoid costly mistakes, follow for smarter real estate strategies.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.